Welcome back. Today we're going to be making some stickers. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Helps out a lot and I appreciate everyone who's done it so far. Alright, enough with that, let's jump into the video. Alright, so today we're going to be making a Tanjiro sticker inside a Nike swoosh. So like always, we're going to start out by sketching out how I want it to look. This is going to be quick, this is going to be rough. We're going to make changes eventually. But once we got a good base, we're going to go ahead and do the outline. This has got to be one of my favorite parts. After coloring. Coloring's top tier. At this point, Tanjiro was all done, but it still looked a little plain to me. So I decided to add his water breathing technique. Fuck, that was hard to say. Alright, so now that we got the outline all done, we're going to go ahead and remove the background. And we're going to jump ahead and we're going to start coloring. We're going to start off by filling in the solid colors, and then we're going to slowly work our way into the details. I don't want this video to take forever, so we're going to speed right through this. And we are done. Alright, so now that it's finished, we're going to be moving on to the next part. We're going to be printing these out. This is my printer. It's called the Roland BN20, for anyone that wants to know. Got the file all set up. We're going to go ahead and print a few of these. Gotta hit print. I'll let it do its thing, and I'll be back. Once it's done printing, we're going to slice it, take it over to our desk, grab our little tool, and we're going to weed out the design. I always like to start off with the little details first, and once all those are done, we're going to move on to the whole backing. Gotta go slow here, there's a lot of little details. Moving on, we're going to grab our transfer paper or water tape. We're going to lay our stickers right on top of it. And we're going to grab our squeegee and make sure we get all the air bubbles out. And now all that's left to do is cut them into slices. We are done. Check them out, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And here it is without the backing. That's it, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and share the video. I'll see you all next time. Bye.